my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing from Orchid Classics. They're a nursery based out in Virginia. I've never ordered from them before, but I've ordered today a box of 8 different orchids for $150. They are all seed grown. And I ordered this box because I have a friend who ordered this box as well, and she got some beautiful Neophanetia hybrids. And if you guys know me, you know I love little mini Vandas types and Neophanetia types. All of the orchids that she got were blooming size, and a lot of them came in bloom. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box. And let's just open it up and see what we've got together. Before jumping in, let me show you my little nook here. So I took out all of my blooming orchids this morning, and we've got them all set up here while they're in bloom. So I like to put these out here in the summer when the heat isn't on. I obviously can't have them here in the winter. Anyway, onto the box. Feels somewhat heavy, so let me open this up. All right. Let's see what's inside. My invoice. Looks like we've got a bunch here. I'm gonna take these out of the box and I will come back. We've got 8 orchids. Let's see what's inside them. Well, as I took everything out, my cat jumped right into the box. Let's see. Hopefully we get lots of Vandas. This one is the biggest one, so I'm curious what it is. Okay, let's see. The shipping got here pretty quickly. So I ordered this on Thursday. Ooh, I got a Neophanetia, and it's in bud, guys. So this one's the Neophanetia falcata Cocoa crossed with the Ascophanetia Lion Star. Guys, it is big and it's in bud. Oh my gosh, this is right up my alley, guys. These are nice. So this is the Neofalcata Cocoa crossed with Ascophanetia Lion Star. This is much larger than I expected, in a good way. Usually you get little puny fans, but this is number 1. All right, let's open up number 2. I find these are packed pretty well. I was not expecting that orchid to be so large. You could tell that it's bloomed before. It had several fans, so I'm so excited to see what we have next here. And I just love my Neophanetia hybrids. Neophanetias in general I love, but the hybrids as well, they're just so pretty. They're usually fragrant, and I just really, really like them. So let's see what we've got here. Looks like they're in square pots. Oh my goodness, guys. We got this in bloom. Let's see, what is this? Yay! So this is a Neophanetia falcata yellow cow hole crossed with the Ascocentrum miniatum classic orange. Guys, look how pretty. I doubt I'm gonna get fragrance here. Let's see. No fragrance, but it's been in a box for 2 days, so I'm gonna check on it in the morning or at night, so we'll see. Very, very pretty. Wow. That's amazing. All right, number 3. So far, so good. I love these hybrids. What I'll say is I'm afraid to put the Ascocentrum hybrid into semi-hydro just because I have that Ascophanetia cherry blossom and it hated it, so I probably will not do that for anything crossed with Ascocentrum. Let's see what is here. Ooh, we've got another one in full bloom. Oh, this is lovely. So this one is the Vandophanetia Virgil Yellow Red. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. You see, I love these orchids. I'm gonna check out the the medium, but it looks like it was recently potted possibly. But I might just leave it in this pot. But how lovely is that? Beautiful. All right, we're moving on to the fourth one. I can't believe I already have 3 orchids that came in bloom. That's phenomenal. So far, those look really good. Let's see what this fourth one is. I wonder if I got all Vandas. If I did, I'll be very happy because I do like these. And this is exactly why I ordered. I just love the fragrance of the Neophoenicia types. Ah, yes, more blooms. Oh, this one is the Ascophoenicia peaches. Look. They're so pretty and delicate, and they're just opening up. They're in bud. I hope they don't blast on me, but oh my goodness, guys. Ascophoenicia peaches. I love this. Oh, this is really nice. It looks like it was in bloom before. This is a mature orchid. This is wonderful. It's got 2 spikes. This is nice. Wow, so I have 4 orchids that are in full bloom. It's amazing. You never really get orchids like that often. Usually they're from Hawaii. I wasn't expecting it from a grower here in the Northeast. It's another bloom. Another Vanda. Oh my goodness. So let me show you. So this one is the Neophoenicia falcata Green Mist crossed with the Vanda Paki. Look at that bloom, guys. Very pretty. See if it smells like anything. Oh, it actually does have a slight fragrance. It does smell like the Neophoenicia falcata, maybe because it was dark in there, but it does smell. Very slight Neophoenicia fragrance. Very, very nice. So again, this is the Vanda, the Neophoenicia falcata Green Mist crossed with the Vanda Paki. Really, really nice so far. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a nice haul so far. So I've got 5 orchids in bloom or in bud, which is just insane to me. Okay, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6 over here. Let's see what we've got. Again, if they're all Vandas, I'll be very happy. I love my Vandas. We got bark everywhere. Another, oh, this is a Neo. Oh my goodness. I must be so annoying right now the way that I'm talking. So this one is the Neophoenicia falcata. I can't even see. Let's see, it's got a bunch. Here's the name. Neophoenicia falcata Cowhow Yellow crossed with the Kibana Fujran Yellow. Nice. This is pretty. Look at that. I can't believe I'm getting all of these in bloom. Let's see if it smells like anything. Oh, nothing yet, but they're very, very pretty. It looks like these might just be spent, but 6 in bloom. Wow. All right, number 7. Looks like it's another Vanda. Let's see. Let's see. Another Vanda. Let's see. This one's a bigger one. Much bigger. Let's see. This is the Ascocentrum ampullaceum miniatum. And it's got a flower spike. These are really pretty. Look at that flower spike there. This is a good size. Wow. One more. I can't believe 7 have been in bud or in spike. Okay guys, very last one. Ooh. Okay, so this one has a bud that's spent. Looks similar to the other one. Let's see. Does it have an ID? Doesn't look like this one has an ID. This one has a number, so I'm gonna ask them what it is. But it looks like it has nice roots. And that's an interesting flower. It's definitely faded for now, but looks good. I can't believe I got them so big. They look so nice. I'm gonna take them all out so you can see them together. So here's my haul. I can't believe everything was either in spike or bloom. The one in the back left corner, that bloom faded, which is totally fine. You never get blooms like this on orchids. Well, the majority of the time you don't, but I don't even know which one is my favorite yet. The Ascophoenicia Peaches is beautiful, but I'm sort of leaning towards this one. This one is the Vanda Phoenicia Virgil. And look at this bloom. Wow. This is so pretty. So this one's Virgil yellow, red. This is so beautiful. This one as well is really, really pretty. I love these flowers. The one in the back is pretty nice too. Really, really nice stuff. We've got some in bud, one in spike. I like this haul. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Which one was your favorite? And if you guys like Vandas, let me know in the comments as well. So I love Vandas. I tend to gravitate towards miniature types just because I don't have the I don't really have the space to grow the larger Vandas, bare root, how they should be grown. So I tend to gravitate towards these guys. But oh my goodness, guys, I think I'm gonna need a new shelf. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more orchid videos. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.